clear on one side, blue on the other side. Should have got all these screw holes here. Just stick it on there. Wait a second. Just take the line off the side. So just trim the excess off. Professionally. Alright. Get those 8 screws and washers here. We've got little rubber coated washers that go on just keep it from leaking. And it shows in the picture it goes on just like this. With a rubber washer on top. Alright, we're going to pause for a minute while I get all these put together and we'll start back up. Okay, I got this piece put on there and bolted up. Fit together real easy, no problems at all. Now it says to put this rubber seal around it and put the bead toward the inside. So I'm going to start putting that on. Okay, we went ahead and got this rubber piece put around it. That's pretty simple to do. Basically, you just stick it on here and just take a little rubber mallet, just kind of tap it on as you go. Just go all the way around it and then just trim off the excess. It does have little pieces of metal in there, but it's you can cut it off in between the metal. It's easy to cut, so you can cut it with a razor knife, or I just use these side cutters work good. So then we put the piece across the bottom, the same thing, it's just a little different style of molding. And we went ahead and put one of the vents in. I just want to see how to do it. It's real simple. I'm going to do this other one here while we watch. So basically you just stick the vent in there just like that. And get this piece here. I went ahead and just put a couple of screws in there to hold it in place. Like so. Right there. Together. So that. This kit came with a nice little screwdriver, magnetic tip and all, but I found it's just a little bit too small for these screws, so I went and got my own. But anyway, it looks like their design on this is made where water can't blow in your vents if you're running really fast in a rainstorm. Looks like the air hits the hood of the mule and probably rides up like this and gets under these vents. Probably keeps a lot of that water from getting in there and getting on you. Anyway, I guess I'm ready to set it up on there now, so I'm going to pause it just for a second. We're going to try to get it set up there. We'll see if we can put these straps on. I think that's all we like. Okay, we got it put on there. Real simple. Just basically set it up there. Put these Velcro straps. You got one up there, one over there, and then one on each corner. Strap it down. Super tight seal right here where it fits. Everything's real nice and tight. So far, I really like it. Well, I guess we're gonna drive it down the road and see how it works. Got these vents all the way open right here. Actually, the wind's blowing, you can feel the air coming through them now, so try and see how it does. Feel the air blowing through there. Well, it helps a lot. Well, I really like this thing. I'm very pleased with it. Works really well. You can feel the air coming through. It's very sturdy. Overall, I think it's a good product. I don't really have anything negative to say about it.